Hey fellow travelers, Jessica with Eagle Creek here, and today we are going to talk about how to prevent this. I'm going to show you how to pack wrinkle-free. Now typically you have two types of clothes you're packing, dressier and more casual. Let's start with the dressy. For these items, you're definitely going to want to pick up one of Eagle Creek's pocket folders. This is the best way to prevent wrinkles. Now I like to start by packing my slacks. I just lay them out nice and long, and then sometimes I even pack my jeans, just like that. Next, dresses, and just again, lay them nice and long. Now next is collared shirts, and this folding board is really helpful because it'll show you how to fold your clothes in order to keep them from shifting around. How it works is you're simply gonna take that collared shirt, lay it face down, then take the top of the board, place it over the collar, and then start to fold the sides of your shirt down and place it down. Ta-da! Let's do another one. Now for this one, I'm gonna actually place it like so that the collars don't start to create kind of a bunch on one side. That just helps to keep it nice and flat. And then you're just gonna do that same process for all the rest of your tops. And ta-da! Now you have all of your 9 items stacked nice and neat. And you're going to take the folding board and just place it on top. Hold it down to compress everything. And then pull it out like so. Place it on top. Oops. And then bring those wings over. See, I told you it was possible. Now all of your items are nice and compact, and you've even saved yourself some space. So what's the other way to minimize wrinkles? Roll your clothes. I know a lot of us already roll because we know that it helps to save space, but it's also great for minimizing those wrinkles. Cubes are also great for organizing larger items like sweaters, jeans, etc. So I've already packed one of those inside of this medium-sized cube. And there you have it. Now everything that you need is packed, wrinkle-free, and ready to go.